Hey guys, and welcome back. Today you are with Lani and I have another unboxing video. And today I have SIMREX X800 drone. And this is for age 14 and up. You can get this on Amazon. And this will be a great affordable holiday present or birthday present. So now, let's unbox it. This drone I do have in the color gray. And this is a mini size drone. So the remote has the power button, the 1-key start, and it also have the joystick, the phone holder, the speed, the roll, and this right here is the headless mode. This comes with extra 2 packs of battery for the drone itself. It comes with extra propellers, the charger for the battery, and also the phone holder. So you will just insert it in here like this. Now I have the Galaxy Ultra 22, I believe, and this is pretty big to hold it. And it does come with your standard manual and guide. Let's get into this drone. So before you turn it on, you will need to open it up. Start with the top and bottom. Then you will put the battery in here. Okay, so this is the power button. Before you begin to fly this, if you want to use the camera on your phone, you will need to connect this by the Wi-Fi. You can find this all in the manual or in the user guide. This does have a 1080 HD camera. It has 3 modes of speed. Here's the camera. You will need to connect your drone to your remote. So in order to do this, to make this solid, you will move the joystick at the same time for 3 seconds and hold it until this light solidifies, becomes solid, and you are connected like this. Now since we are on the remote, let's talk about it. This will require 3 AAA battery. Once you get your phone connected to the drone, you have the option of viewing your camera from your phone while you are controlling it. And what I do like about this, that it has gravity control that you can control like this. And then it also have the headless control, which you can draw on the app itself and the drone will move in that direction of it. And this button right here, the 1-key start, this is also the emergency, so you will hold this for 3 seconds for emergency landing. One thing I do like about this drone is that it hovers, and this is very helpful for me just because I'm learning how to move the joystick left and right, backwards, and up and down. With one single charge, you do get about 20 to 22 minutes of playtime, so be sure to charge both of the battery before using.